What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So, our first car for the day is this beautiful 2015 Ford Focus, which is going for 140,000 Android. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So, it has 165,711 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, producing 182 horsepower and 366 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.1 seconds with a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 62 liters. According to the technical report, this car has only two issues, which are suspension is faulty and dust covers are missing. So the car, it is still in a good condition. As you can see, the color, the rims, I didn't see any scratches. All windows are tinted. So when it comes to the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your 4.2-inch display and premium audio system, your leather seats, your armrest. The car inside, it is very old, as you can see, as is the 2015 Ford, but it is still in a good condition. Our second car for the day is this 2013 Ford Fiesta, which is going for 109,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 102,137 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, producing 70 kilowatts of power and 200 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 12.9 seconds and a top speed of 178 km per hour. It has 5-speed manual transmission. This car has a fuel consumption of 3.6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters. According to the technical report, this car has one issue, which is gearbox mounting is very loose. So the color, it is still okay, the tires still okay, all windows are tinted. So when it comes to the interior is very old, man. You have your steering wheel there rubbed with rubber, your old seats there, your old infotainment system there. There's nothing special about this car. So guys, if you've been subscribed to this channel, please do so. So we're on a road to 300 subscribers. Please subscribe, guys. Please. Our third car for the day is this beautiful 2015 VW Up, which is going for 93,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So I like it to pay 2,048 per month. It has 140,043 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing 44 kilowatts of power and 95 newton meters of torque. With a 5-speed manual transmission, you are getting a fuel consumption of 4 liters per 100 kilometers in a full tank capacity of 40 liters. So according to the technical report, this car, it is roadworthy. So I didn't see any scratches, any dent. Everything on this car, it is okay. Tires are okay. Color, it is okay. Windows are okay. Everything, it is okay. So when it comes to the interior, there's nothing special. As you can see, you have a steering wheel, your cloth seat, your power windows, your infotainment system with 5-inch display. There's nothing too much about this interior, but it is quite clean. Even the car, it is standard. As you can see, this is one of the budget cars we have. This is the 2022 Toyota Starlet, which is going for 144,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So I'm looking to pay 2,963 per month. This car has 149,814 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1.4-liter petrol engine, producing 68 kilowatts of power and 130 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 11.2 seconds and a top speed of 175 kilometers per hour with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 37 liters. So according to the technical report, this car has one issue, which is suspension stabilizer are noisy or broken. So when it comes to the interior, you have your electric windows there, or your steering wheel wrapped with rubber, your audio system, your USB ports, your Bluetooth connectivity. There's nothing too much about this, guys. You know, Toyota, they don't give you luxury inside, but quality, it is there. The car is still in a good condition, as you can see. I didn't see any scratches. This car for the day is this 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is going for 106,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 105,000 kilometers on the clock. This car is a 4.7 liter V8 engine, producing 190 kilowatts of power and 310 meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 kilometers in 8.5 seconds with a 4-speed automatic transmission and a fuel consumption of 17.6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 87 liters. So according to the technical report, this car has 7 issues, which are vehicle overheating, hydraulic system, and steering wheel hard during drive. So the exterior, it is in a mint condition. As you can see, it's the 2003 car, so you don't expect a lot of things, but all the windows are tinted, as you can see. You have your cream white interior there, your gear there. There's nothing too much about this car, man. As you can see, you have your little multifunction steering wheel. Yeah, man, that's it about our last car for the day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. There is this 2014 Ford Kuga, which is going for 124,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So I'm going to pay 2,604 per month. It has 149,320 kilometers on the clock. This car is a 1.6 liter EcoBoost inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 110 kilowatts of power and 240 newton meters of torque. You're getting a 6-speed manual transmission. You're also getting a fuel consumption of 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. So according to the technical report, this car, it is roadworthy and it is ready to go. So I didn't see anything strange. What I love about this car is that you can do a lot of things about it. You can put your family, you can use it as a transport, carrying kids. So when it comes to the interior, you have your electric windows, your multifunction steering wheel, your infotainment system, your leather seats, black interior. There's nothing too much about the interior of this Ford Kuga, but the car, it is quite clean, as you can see. Yeah, man, that's it about the Ford Kuga. It is big, man. It is too big. Yeah. This is the 2014 Audi A3, which is going for 115,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 197,495 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.4 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 190 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. You're getting a fuel consumption of 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 43 liters. So according to the data report, this car has 7 issues, which are headlights are cracked, main beam are defective, and multiple warning lights. So the color, it is still okay. Even the tires are okay, the rims are okay, all the windows are tinted. No dent on this car, man. So when it comes to the interior of an Audi is the same as the other one. So you have a multifunction steering wheel, your closed seat, your power windows, climate control, Audi MMI infotainment system with 5.8-inch display system. Yeah, man, that's it about the Audi A3. It is good, man. The next car for the day is this 2019 VW Polo Vivo, which is going for 133,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're going to pay 2,766 per month. It has 113,041 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.4 liter inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 63 kilowatts of power and 132 newton meters of torque. You're getting a 5-speed manual transmission. You're also getting a fuel consumption of 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. According to the technical report of this car has 3 issues, which are smooth tires, seats it is torn, both front control arm brush cut. So the exterior is quite clean. Didn't see any dent or scratches. Bumpers are still okay. All windows are tinted. The car is quite clean outside. As you can see, you won't tell that it has few problems. So when it comes to the interior, you have your leather seats. As you can see right there, the seat it is torn. You have a black interior. Your multifunction steering wheel. Yeah, man, that's it about the interior. But the car it is still okay, man. What do you think about this Polo?